even though they got the Dodge Power Dollars, they got a lot of rebates, and they got a lot of different incentives, but they're giving you the opportunity to trade in your current Charger or Challenger or whatever you may have. Now, the main reason why I haven't traded it in yet is because I'm really curious to test drive the wide body Hellcat and the wide body Scat Pack, even though it's pretty much the same vehicle, but with the new wider tires, I think the suspension is updated. I think it has the electronic steering. So there's a couple things that are different that may convince you to wait for the wide body. Now, on top of that, the 2015s through the 2019 Hellcats are being heavily discounted. Mainly the 2015s through the 2017s. You can get those for $45,000 all day. So I'm just really being patient and waiting to see what the prices are going to look like, what the new ones are going to ride like, and exactly what the pricing is going to be. It just makes sense to wait and just see what happens, because I know a lot of people, you may have just bought your RT, or you may have just bought your 2019 Scat Packs. If that's the case, man, I would just be happy about what I already have, mod your car, and just be cool with what you have. You know what I'm saying? I have a 2016. This car is currently out of warranty. So anything that goes wrong with this car, I'm responsible for. Luckily, so far so good. I haven't had any major issues. Only thing I really need to do right now is possibly get me some brakes. I need to change my brake pads, and I may need some front tires. And that's another problem with getting staggered wheels, because I have 275s in the back and 245s in the front. I cannot rotate my tires, so the tires are going to wear out unevenly because I cannot rotate my tires. And right now it's looking like my front tire is definitely going to need replacing, probably within the next month. And I can't say I'm surprised, because that's just how it works when you have, you know, staggered wheels. My back tires are pretty good. I haven't really been doing too many burnouts, and they're pretty much holding up. So, you know, I just wanted to make a quick video just kind of talking about why I haven't traded in my RT. I know a lot of people saying, oh, just go trade in, go get your Hellcat, go do this, go do that. And I understand that, and it definitely would be good for the channel. But patience, man, you gotta have patience in life, you know what I'm saying? Yes, I could just run out and trade this car and get me a Scat Pack, and I'll probably be upset because I could have just waited and got me a used Hellcat. But then on the flip side, there's more to it when you buy a Hellcat. You gotta think about the maintenance, the gas mileage, especially if you're gonna be daily driving the Hellcat. Now, if I make the final decision to buy a Hellcat, I'm gonna have to get me a little car to drive back and forth to work. I work down in downtown DC. You do not want to be daily driving a Hellcat going to DC. I don't care who you are, even if you do have money. First of all, the streets in DC are terrible. So you're gonna beat the hell out of your Hellcat driving it back and forth to work. Not saying I wouldn't drive it sometime, but daily driving my Hellcat to work is a no-no. I'm just not gonna do that. Scat Pack, that's pretty much like driving my RT back and forth to work. I mean, I'm doing that now, and my car's holding up pretty well. Only because the Hellcat, the maintenance is a lot higher. You know what I'm saying? As far as brakes and all that stuff. Like now, I need brake pads in the front. That's for $50 for some brake pads. You know what I'm saying? I can go in Southeast and get one of my, one of the unks around there to change my front brakes for $25. That's an easy fix. But I'm not gonna have somebody, in the hood changing the brakes on my Hellcat. I'm just not gonna do that. That just don't make sense. So those are the things you gotta consider, man, when you're getting ready to make a power move like buying a Hellcat. People just watching the videos, it's easy for you to just say, oh, go get this, go get that. But it's more to it than that, man. Cause like I always say, when you turn this camera off, real life kick in. You know what I'm saying? So, and it's not like I'm making Tall got car reviews money on my YouTube channel. You know what I'm saying? Like, he's making probably $30,000-$40,000 a month off his YouTube channel. You know what I'm saying? I'm not even almost making that much. I'm barely making car payment money on my YouTube channel. And a lot of it has to do with me just only having an RT. If I had a Hellcat, I'd probably have a whole lot more subscribers. I get it, I understand that. But I'm comfortable with the progress of my YouTube channel. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate my subscribers. It's no big deal to me. When I get to that point, then you guys will definitely be seeing a whole lot more, you know, I'll be getting a whole lot more views, and I'll be making more money, and I'll be able to do a lot more to the car. So that's why I appreciate everybody that watched the videos, share the videos. Don't skip the ads. Now that I understand how YouTube works, I see why YouTubers say don't skip the ads, because that's how you make your revenue off YouTube, by people watching the ads. That's just how it works. So again, it's just a short video, man, explaining the whole situation about why I haven't traded in my RT. And on top of that, I really enjoy this car. You know what I'm saying? This car is a lot of fun. It's good on, it's decent on gas. Haven't had any problems. You know what I'm saying? I finally got my exhaust to sound the way I want it to sound. It's plenty of power, you know, riding around the city. I mean, if you want to do some racing, then you probably need to, you know, do the whole supercharger headers and all that. And like I said before, that stuff is coming to the channel, but I pretty much got to pay for that stuff out of my pocket. I'm not making enough on my channel, you know, to use that money to pay for mods. I'm just not. You know, if people start watching the ads more frequently, and sometimes people complain, oh, you got 7 ads in this video, you know, so I'm trying to keep you guys happy. On top of that, make a little bit of money in order to mod the car. So y'all got to work with me. You know what I'm saying? And we can make this thing work. So again, just have to stay tuned. The wide bodies will be out. I mean, I guess you can start ordering them next month. So I'm pretty sure the dealerships will start getting them in, and I'll go test drive them. I'm gonna go test drive a used Hellcat, and I'm gonna make my decision. So if you're not subscribed, subscribe to the channel, because any day, any moment, I can pull the trigger, boom, fresh new content, we on our way. For right now, I'm just gonna keep doing what I do, mod my RT, keep bringing you guys the content I can bring you until things are different. That's what we're gonna do. I appreciate everybody rocking with me. The channel is growing, and it's exciting, man. So we got a lot to look forward to. But as you know, the weather is definitely changing. Winter is on its way. Well, you know, we got fall. You know, winter's on its way. So it's gonna be very interesting. You know, I'm even looking at the Durango 392, and I'm hearing that they coming out with a damn Durango Hellcat. And I'm telling you, they come out with a Durango Hellcat, I'm sorry, I'm getting it. It's no, I don't see how the hell I can pass up a Durango Hellcat. As much as I like Durango trucks in general. So I don't care what the hell I'm driving. If they come out with a Durango Hellcat, I'm trading in whatever the heck I'm driving. I'm going to get one. I don't care what it's going to cost me, because that's like the best of both worlds, especially if you live in the DMV. So that's pretty much it, man. That's the end of this video. I appreciate everybody rocking with me, man. I appreciate all the new subscribers. Stay tuned. If you're new, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.